Welcome to Penrose Learning, where we make understanding easy.
In this video, I will explain how to use Cut in Pokémon Brick Bronze. This essential hidden machine, or HM, allows your Pokémon to clear small trees that block your path, opening up new routes and hidden areas. Understanding how to obtain and utilize Cut is crucial for advancing through the game and discovering all its secrets. To acquire the Cut HM, first, you must journey to Sylvant City and conquer its gym, earning your first badge, the Arc Badge. With this badge in hand, proceed to Route 4. There, you will encounter a friendly lumberjack NPC standing near a small tree. Speak with him, and he will entrust you with the valuable Cut hidden machine. Once you have the Cut HM, teaching it to a Pokémon is straightforward. Simply open your in-game bag and navigate to your HMs. Select the Cut HM, then choose a suitable Pokémon from your team to learn this move. Remember, once an HM is taught, it cannot be easily forgotten, so pick your Pokémon wisely. With Cut successfully taught to one of your Pokémon, you are now ready to clear obstacles. When you encounter a small tree blocking your way in the overworld, simply walk up to it and interact. Your Pokémon will then use Cut, removing the tree and allowing you to pass through. This opens up new exploration opportunities and helps you progress on your adventure.
Thanks for watching. If this was helpful, leave a like and consider subscribing. See you next time.